This house is full of perfect spots to enjoy your morning coffee, and it's in one of Fredericton's favorite neighborhoods. Welcome to 45 Ashland Court, a 4-bedroom home in the heart of Sunshine Gardens. Heated tile floors lead into the beautiful kitchen with a granite-topped island and beautiful custom finishes. The bright living room offers a propane fireplace, perfect for hosting loved ones or enjoying a quiet morning. The formal dining room leads into a main floor bedroom. Followed by a renovated full bathroom where you can enjoy picturesque views from the soaker tub. Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms, including the primary bedroom, which offers a changing room, walk-in closet, and ensuite bathroom. The yard offers beautiful perennial gardens, a covered back deck, and a fenced area for peace of mind. Thanks for watching. For more information on 45 Ashland Court, visit frederictonhomes.com.